So hey, what's up, guys? This is Luis and you're watching TIL. So in this video, we talk about the two major problems that the Apple users faces or we experience it. So let's start the video. So at first, we talk about the first problem, that is the late features and design. Yeah, this is the major problem that is faced by a lot of Apple users, iOS users, and many YouTubers that say that the features are very low. And yeah, this is a feature that they are very new features are come, but Apple do not provide at the initial, like the 120Hz display. 120Hz displays come around 2019 2020, but Apple do not provide in iPhone 11 12 or like but they provide in 2021, which is iPhone 13, and they provide very trendy features very after the trend is over and after the trend is die. So yeah, this is the problem that we faced that too, and we want that features to come in the next iPhone, but Apple do not provide the trendy features. But they provide if they provide the trendy features, then the feature of this phone is can't be defeated by any phone. Yeah, we know that Apple provide a superb butter quality features like 120 Hz. It cannot be matched by Samsung, Huawei, and a lot of brands that have put 165 hertz, 180 hertz display in their phones, but no one can match the Apple. Yeah, we know that. And also design, guys, design very odd. I don't like the design at the beginning in iPhone 12. Yeah, I like the design, and iPhone 12 well, decent design, but in iPhone 13 they do not change many more. But so yeah, design is one of the major problem that I have to switch Android to get more trendy designs. So yeah, this is the first problem. The second problem is this is the example that my uncle have a very old iPhone, like iPhone 4, iPhone 5, iPhone 6. So and Apple want that they have to switch, and they have to switch the latest iPhone. So they, yeah, there is a case that is we know that the Apple sent the update in very old iPhones, like iPhone 4, iPhone 3s, iPhone 6s, and after updating the phone get hanged, and there are many lot of problems are faced by the Apple users. So yeah, this is to be stopped, because my uncle's story is also same. He uses the iPhone 6, and iPhone 6 are very old. I don't know, but there's a very 6 2 months later. So yeah, there's a problem that I faced, that Apple should be stopped, and yeah, we should like this. So the video is over. So if you like the video, then please subscribe, guys. We have to reach 1K subscribers. Okay, bye.